Today we are going to show you how to soft solder copper pipe without all those running streaks of solder with one simple trick. Firstly, you'll need something to cut the pipe. Tube cutters like this are the best method for smaller pipes. There are links to everything we use in the description if you need anything. Next up, a key to success. A clean pipe. Get some sandcloth and bring the pipe to a shine. Then do the same with the fitting. If the pipe has too much oxidization, then it will be difficult or impossible to solder. Now add flux. The flux is what helps the solder run around the pie and fitting. You will not be able to solder without it. Only apply it to the pipe. Give the fitting a little spin to get it even spread inside. Time to heat things up. Take your torch and on a low to medium flame for a smaller pipe like this, start to evenly distribute the heat. Here's the key to clean joints. Just before you add solder, wipe off the excess flux. The solder goes where the flux goes. Gently touch the pipe until the solder melts on contact. If it doesn't melt, you're not hot enough or too hot. Gently apply right in the gap where the pipe and fitting meet. Then watch capillary action take place. That is what's happening when it pulls the solder into the fitting. You can easily make the pipe shine again with the sandcloth once it's cool. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments or reach us directly at the email in our bio. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot to us. Thank you.